Fact 8, the quantum spookiness in your fingertips. Assumption, when you touch something, particles from you and the object interact directly. The fact, the electrons in the atoms of your skin never actually touch the electrons of the object. You feel the electromagnetic repulsion between them. At the quantum level, touch is just one force field pushing against another. Mind-blowing implication, you have never truly touched anything in your life. Every sensation of physical contact is an illusion created by invisible forces. Fact 9, the stars you see are ghosts. Assumption, when we look at the stars, we see them as they are right now. The fact, due to the finite speed of light, every star you see is an image from the past. The light from the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 years old. Many of the bright stars in familiar constellations are hundreds of light years away. Some of the stars you see on a clear night may have already died in a supernova, and we just don't know it yet. Mind-blowing implication, the night sky isn't a picture of the present universe, it's a cosmic scrapbook of different eras all displayed at once. Stargazing is literal time travel. Fact 10, your body is a walking colony. Assumption, you are a single, human organism. The fact, for every one human cell in your body, there are roughly 1.3 bacterial cells. These trillions of microbes in your gut, on your skin, and elsewhere outnumber your own cells. They are essential for digestion, immunity, and even influence your mood and cravings. Mind-blowing implication, you are less an individual and more of a walking, talking ecosystem, a superorganism. Your decisions, like what to eat, might be a democratic vote between you and your gut flora. Fact 11, the library of every possible book. Assumption, not every combination of letters forms a meaningful book. The fact, the Library of Babel is a thought experiment about a hypothetical library containing every possible 410-page book that could ever be written using letters and spaces. It would contain every great novel, every history book, every future scientific discovery, and also mountains of gibberish. It would contain your exact biography, written yesterday, and the biography of your life with one changed detail. Mind-blowing implication, every truth, falsehood, and story that can be expressed already exists in a mathematical sense. It suggests a terrifying, infinite completeness to information. Fact 12, the paradox of your changing atoms. Assumption, your body is made of a stable set of atoms that have always been you. The fact, about 98% of the atoms in your body are replaced every year. You gain and lose atoms through breathing, eating, drinking, and shedding skin. The carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen that make up you today are completely different from the ones that made you a decade ago. Mind-blowing implication, this is the ship of Theseus paradox applied to your own body. If none of your original material remains, what makes you the same continuous person? The pattern of information, your memories, and the structure of your cells persist, even as the raw materials are swapped out.